If you want to eject a SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but you do not have the SIM eject tool, you can use some alternatives that resemble the SIM tray. Of course, your SIM tray should be inside the box, but in case you lost it or it's broken, then you can use something thin, straight, and sturdy so that it fits this hole over here, and so you can apply a gentle pressure, and it shouldn't break, of course, if you do that. So, the best alternative option, I believe, is a paper clip. You can unfold a small paper clip so one end is straight, then you can insert it gently into the eject hole over here, into the SIM tray hole like that, and then press until the tray pops out. You can also use an earring post, like if you have like a plain metal stud earring, not a hook or decorative end, then you can of course use that as well. It might work. Just make sure that it is clean and straight, and then once again just press and insert gently. A sewing needle or a pin, both of these things can work as well, because usually they are thin. Hold it steady and press straight in, avoid angled pressure of course. And mechanical pencil may work as well, so if you have like a mechanical pencil tip with no lead, then it might work. However, you want to be careful because usually plastic tips can break if you use too much pressure, and of course we don't want to do that. So once you have your tool and that can fit into this hole and it is sturdy enough so that it stands still, it doesn't break essentially when you use that a little bit of force, then you should be able to push it into the phone and the SIM tray should pop out quite easily. Now if you are wondering what you should not use, then in this case you should avoid using toothpicks or wooden sticks, because they can easily break, unless like you have like something, I don't know, like maybe like a plastic toothpick or something like that, although I would still be careful with that. Safety pins with rounded ends won't work as well. Screws or nails, you should avoid them. Anything thick or blunt is not going to work too. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.